This is the letter I. The letter I makes the I sound. Some words, like pig, have the I sound. In the middle, tap the letter I and the pig to hear the I sound. In the middle. I.
Pig.
Nice work. All of these things have the I sound. In the middle, tap them all and listen to the I sound. In the middle.
Dish. Ship. Quilt. Pig.
Super! Drag the things with the I sound in the middle to hollow.
Pin. Quilt.
Yay! You found the things with the I sound in the middle. Drag the things with the I sound in the middle to peck.
Pin. Quilt.
Yay! You found the things with the I sound in the middle. Spell the word pig. I. Super duper. Spell the word kid. I. Sweet. Spell the word lid. I. That's right.